How's it going, guys? Well, we're back here with the D-MAX Series. We've got our 2019 NZOffroader D-MAX, and we're going to chuck an exhaust system on it. Thanks to Outback Exhaust from Australia, we've got a 3.5-inch system to basically fit to this from the DPF back.
That's it, pop. Next book.
I've got that exhaust gasket through there for you too.
For trucks.
Okay. Oh shit.
Make sure you get my good side.
Which one's that?
Perfect. Well, that was under an hour. Had the old system out, new system in, 3.5-inch stainless steel, 5-year warranty, top of the line. Outback Exhaust really got great systems. Straight bolt up, factory mounts, everything. Real easy system. Come with all the gaskets, all the bolts, all the brackets, ready to go. Awesome. Well, you can hear it's got a bit of a different tone. You can hear that turbo, spooling up nicely. Now time to go and take it for a bit of a test drive and see what she sounds like on the open road. Hey guys, welcome back to our NZOffroader D-MAX build series, D-MAX.